Can cats eat dog treats is a common question among pet owners who share their home with both animals. The short answer is yes. Cats can eat dog treats safely in very small amounts, but they should never become a regular part of your feline's diet. Dog snacks lack taurine and arachidonic acid, which are essential nutrients that feline bodies cannot produce on their own. Feeding canine snacks to your cat frequently can lead to severe nutritional deficiencies and weight gain over time. Furthermore, giving dog kibble or large rewards to a feline poses a major choking hazard because they are not sized for a cat's small mouth. If your pet has a sensitive stomach or known food allergies, even a tiny piece of a dog treat can cause digestive upset, like vomiting or diarrhea. You should always consult your veterinarian before introducing any new food into your cat's routine. In short, while an occasional bite of a canine reward will not poison your pet, cats eating dog treats regularly is not safe for their long-term health.